another vlog here today. Today, we're here on the opening weekend of Hurricane Harbor here at Six Flags Over Georgia. Super amazing, beautiful day, as you all can tell and see here. Scream Machine's back open and it's running right now. But we're going to focus on water rides here today. Water slides and the wave pool, all that stuff. It's gonna be an amazing time. I'm gonna take you all along with me with some amazing water fun action. So with that being said, let's go have ourselves an adventure. So it's 12 o'clock right now and the water park just opened up right here. Memorial Day weekend, beautiful high 80-degree weather day today. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna possibly try Tidal Wave Cafe again for the 2022 season, see how it is, and just enjoy the water park in general. Find a good spot here for us to set our stuff down and then just change and get ready. It's gonna be an amazing day though. Let's go have some fun. Boy howdy, it feels good to be back here. I love it's small water park, but it's so beautiful though, and just like, I think it's the best themed area here. Look at Jaws right there. The best themed area at Six Flags Over Georgia. Believe you me, it's amazing. Hopefully though, they do announce, it is the 55th season of operation here. Hopefully they do announce another slide to come here in the future. Hopefully soon, because they definitely could add it. But Tsunami Surge and Bonsai Pipelines, both running right now, it looks like. Let's go ahead. Look at that beautiful tropical paradise. Look at how beautiful this water is right here. Oh man, plenty of seats, as you can see right now. At this time being the backside of Scream Machine as well. But we're gonna go find a nice comfy chair, get changed, and then get on some slide action. It's gonna be an amazing time. Of course, I'm gonna take you all along with me, and we're gonna have a blast here. Look at this, look at the beautiful water. Woohoo! Let's go have some fun. Tsunami Surge right here, 0-minute wait. Fred and I here. It's gonna be an amazing time. Let's get it. Right here, walking up Tsunami Surge, walk on, nobody here, because we just got in. Super hyped to get on it. About to walk up this high hike of stairs and have an amazing good time here on Tsunami Surge. I've been waiting to get back on this thing. I love it so much. Look at this beautiful view right here. Time to get on. There we go. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right, going back up here again. Gonna have an amazing time here. Again, going around and around because there's essentially nobody here waiting. So yeah, it's gonna be an amazing time. Go back up. Yeah, you guys saw that splash. It was amazing how high we got. I love this thing. I would take this over like 90-something% of the ones at Whitewater. Tsunami Surge here is epic. Really just need one more major epic slide here at Hurricane Harbor. Man, it'd be amazing. But let's get back up here again. Get on Tsunami Surge. Woo-wee! Fred! It's you! Fred! Fred's off the raft! Oh! So am I! I'm off the raft! I'm off the raft! I'm off the raft! The raft's on top of me! The raft's on top of me! Oh! What is going on? Oh my goodness. Fred, how was Tsunami Surge? Falling off again, and even I fell off. Again. Oh, so epic. All right, we're getting in the wave pool right now. I really love how beautiful this wave pool is, this one, to me, the waves are much better than at Whitewater. Do love Whitewater, but I'm just saying, these are epic. Let's get in the wave pool and enjoy it. Back here now, walking up closer. I didn't know they had little jets there at the bottom. Interesting. But yeah, walking up to the front, it looks like they definitely extended the line a little bit closer here, like it was beforehand, so you can get much deeper. Pretty cool. Look how beautiful it is here today. My goodness. It is chilly. It is cold. Right here, towards the front, 4 foot mark, 4 feet. Tsunami Surge, Hurricane Harbor sign. So cool. Just gonna wait here, get acclimated, get ready for these giant waves. Look how beautiful this is though. Tropical paradise right here. My goodness, not too busy right now. Not too busy whatsoever. But the waves are going to start very soon. It's gonna be epic. Ooh, Man, this is really, really chilly water, but I'm getting acclimated, getting adjusted right here. Beautiful start to the unofficial start of summer time. I'm happy to be here. Hopefully you guys are and enjoying yourself. If you are, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you have not, still waiting for the waves to start. It'll be happening soon. Cut to it now. These waves are crazy. Wave pool action. Oh. These things are intense. These things are massive now. They're only getting bigger. When you hear that little like siren sound, you know it's about to start. Oh my goodness. I'm like playing like some like Jimi Hendrix in the background or something. It works though. Getting this action. Goodness. It's like we've been cast ashore. It's like amazing wave pool action. It's so crazy. The wave pool here at Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags Over Georgia is so crazy. I love it. All right, so we just had lunch. Tidal Wave Cafe right there. Actually, it was a really solid burger that we really enjoyed. It had also like white cheese on it, so that was really cool. So we're gonna go around here, get on the Bonsai Pipelines right here, give that a go, hit Paradise Island, and then yeah, we'll call it a day here at the water park here at Hurricane Harbor. Really good time though nonetheless. Tons of fun has been made. One day though this season we gotta rent one of these like cabanas, spend the whole day, get our money's worth, but it's gonna be amazing. Not too long of a wait as you can see here. Other than that, yeah, that'll be it, and then we'll be able to get on up and enjoy Bonsai Pipelines. Tube acquired right there. The tube has been acquired. Look at all the ducks right here. Oh wow, they are posted up doing their thing. Always get your ducks in a line. Get your ducks in order. That is pretty cool. I see where the saying comes from. Good job though. That is pretty amazing though. Yeah, well, let's head up the stairs, get on our first venture of our first venture of Bonsai Pipelines with the double tube. Then we'll do the solo ones next. I'm super excited. Hopefully this one goes a lot faster because I like this one a lot. And we're off. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Here we go. Let's go. Woo! The drop! Yeah! Oh, I like this. This is nice. Wow! All the colors in the splash. Woo-hoo-hoo! We're up. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, taking up speed now. Getting speed. Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! In the splash. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today at Hurricane Harbor at Six Flags Over Georgia for the opening weekend of the water park here, Hurricane Harbor. Had an amazing time. Of course, some of the footage was left out. GoPro had a little malfunction, so I had to insert some other footage there that you guys got to see and enjoy. Still the same principle, still a lot of fun. You all enjoyed it and saw it there. So yeah, back open, beautiful weather day today. Food was really good at Tidal Wave Cafe. I'll admit that, really was nice. They have a lot of variety there now that I see, which I didn't know about. But yeah, that'll do it for us today. Make sure you guys get out here to Hurricane Harbor. I do hope, once again, 55th season operation, hopefully they announce potentially a new slide here. But definitely make sure you subscribe if you guys are new. Leave the video a big thumbs up to my next video and or adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day.